Kei a te pō te tīmatatanga o te waiatatanga mai a te atua, ko te ao marama, ko te ao tūroa. It was in the night where the gods sang the world into existence, from the world of light into the world of music.
And we're just here today at Pūrekireki Marae, coming to the end of the Haumanu Collective Wānanga.
We hold Wānanga to be able to collaborate, to connect, to instill or re-instill or remember the passion within, which is Taonga Pūoro.
Purotiti that can go from the head right down to the toes. It's intergenerational. It's for our babies, it's for our oldies, and in between is our whole whānau. So I love that. And we can normalise that as part of everyday living, ka pai.
I think often about what Hene Wirangi said is you are the pū, and the oro is the manifestation of your tuakiritanga. So I want that embodied practice to be everywhere, absolutely everywhere, so that it's accessible to all of us. Ahakoa, ko ai ahakoa no here, so that we can access that mātauranga for ourselves and the rongoa that exists within.
My fear was that when I got into it, and that was why when I first started I didn't really want to turn my back on them, because I had a fear that they were going to become museum pieces alone. And
ki te kaupapa, kia hapangia ki ngā taonga kui mā koroma.
Becoming ourselves and our authentic selves now. So every aspect, like our reo, our way of living, our tikanga, is the way we look after each other.
He rito tangata, he mauri reo, he mauri oro, he mauri ora, which is ko te piko o te mahuri, ko ia te tipu o te rākau.
Okay. I got started in my mouth. Okay. Ko te au ai o ani mereti toku ingoa, no taranaki no motiti hoki.
Ko te amakura e rata toku ingoa, no rotorua me konei hoki.
I think more people need to like know about it, you know? Like ahakoa he Māori, he Pākehā rānei, you know? I think everyone should like learn the beneficial things that come with Taonga Pūoro and like the healing and stuff like that, and the like the relaxation and stuff, like a ātāhua sound and reminds you of nature and stuff like that. So I think that heaps of people could benefit from that, and it's also just sharing our culture. Thanks, man.
I'm good.
Cool beans.
The people are beautiful. The wairua is amazing. The Taonga Pūoro was beautiful and needed.
I've just enjoyed being amongst an amazing group of people who are very passionate about the art form of Taonga Pūoro. Building connections, whakawhanaungatanga, establishing stronger relationships with people who share the same interest and are passionate about the same things. It's been really, really lovely. Very, very blessed.
I'm excited for the future. The Wānanga's opened up a whole new world for me, and so I take all that knowledge with me and go home and pass on the knowledge that I've gained.
Kia ora, ko Jake Kiano Skinner taku ingoa. One of the things that I took away from this Wānanga was the ability to fully be authentically myself, to express with other individuals who are part of a massive collective of Taonga Pūoro players, and just the small little things that we can share with each other, little playing tips, whakapapa, pūrākau, and then lots of whanaungatanga. which I found to be the most beneficial.
Me te kai, kua rawi te kai nge he tātou. Te kai mātauranga, te kai mo te tinana, te wairua, e ramu, ngā mea pai ki au nei.
Actually, one of the biggest things that I really enjoyed about this way is that I didn't have to run around with trying to make all the sounds and create soundscapes, and it was a pleasure to be a part of something that was like, I can just put a bird whistle in there, a karanga mandu or something, you know, just really simple. Listen to the vibes and feel the energy, and especially love the higher vibration that we were getting.
Te kaui atu tēnei rongi tō tātai nei Wānanga Pīrongia, me te rongo i ngā manu e whakautu mai i a tātai nei karanga i tēnei wiki. He rongo anō tērā mōku me kei, engari kāre kore mō tātai katoa.
Like I learned so much about myself, and yeah, and I got to connect with my baby a bit more and connect to my whenua as well.
A transformative a wairua, a tinana, a hinengaro, a ngā kau, a ao Pūoro, a Mauri oro.
Definitely have a lot more people involved who have a real passion for them and keeping them alive. It's only onwards and upwards, I reckon.
The Taonga Pūoro being used in all of our mahi, from our rongoā to our entertainment and performance, but also in those spaces of learning and games and everything, just a natural part of our lives. That's the whainga.
I hangai e au tētai mea itiniti nei me taku mokopuna. Nā me te mōhio te tae te horomi. Ko te taku tino wangawanga. Nā ka tae e mō whiowhio. Nā, you know, ira mō āwhutanga. Ko tino hikaka te ngākau te kaui atu te taonga iti nei. Mana me te mōhio ka piritoni ki tana poho.
That every marae we have someone that knows the pūrākau, that knows how to connect our people with the frequencies of our taiao. I think that would be an amazing thing to hear. Taonga Pūoro and whai kōrero, and waiata, karakia, putunua i te motu.
Me te hokinga o ngā mahara ki ira o tātai nei hoa, kia Hirini nā, kia Richard nā. Engari kei te mōhio tonu kei konei tonu a Brian, a Bob, te toko maha hoki o tātai nei hoa e, a James. Oh man, tērā tangata e atua tonu.
Kia orai, kia karongo te ao, ki ngā āhuatanga o ngā Taonga Pūoro.
What I would love for Taonga Pūoro in the future is that our kids don't have to go too far to find it, that our mokopuna dig deep in within to know the whakapapa, the kōrero, and it's accessible.
And I want it in all kura, actually, in all kura, right from kohanga all the way up to wharekura and our kura auraki as well, so that it doesn't take to be my age to come and find something like this. It's just normal, it's just everywhere. Whether it's whakairo, rāranga, te reo, all of these amazing practices and modalities that we have accessible in our culture, I would like Taonga Pūoro to be one of those practices that sit alongside you know, all of our beautiful practices, and it's common for us.
ko he moe ai I rongo I ngā wā katoa and more so on the marae. That's a tino momoe that I've had for a very long time. So, and I feel that it will happen being amongst the stalker. Yeah, kia ora.
What I'm looking forward to in the future for Taonga Pūoro is every home having a Taonga Pūoro. I think that'll be awesome. Whatever Taonga Pūoro that whānau are called to, then if it's in their home, that'll be awesome.